welcome to Linguacinese. My name is Chen. Today we have an exciting topic to delve into, shopping vocabulary. In this video, we'll cover essential phrases you can use while shopping. And to make it interactive, we'll have a dialogue practice on the screen. So get ready to boost your language skills and navigate the shopping world with confidence. Let's get started. In this section, we'll be focusing on learning basic vocabulary words related to shopping. To make it even more engaging, I'll present you with pictures of various objects commonly found in a shopping context. You'll have just 3 seconds to guess the name of each object before I reveal it. So grab your thinking caps and get ready for a rapid-fire vocabulary challenge. Let's see how many words you can identify in the blink of an eye. Are you up for the challenge? Let's get started. First picture, this is a? The answer is, this is a sliding door. A sliding door is a type of door that moves horizontally by sliding along a track. Now here's a very common verb usage. You can easily open the sliding door by pushing it to the side. The second one, this is a? The answer is, this is a shopping basket. A shopping basket is a handheld basket used for carrying items while shopping. Example verb usage. Grab a shopping basket at the entrance to conveniently carry your groceries. The third one, this is a? This is a shopping cart. In the UK, they call this a trolley, I believe. A shopping cart is a wheeled cart used for transporting items while shopping. Example verb usage. Make sure to return your shopping cart to the designated area after use. Next, this is a? This is a shopping list, or we can say grocery list. A shopping or grocery list is a written list of items to buy while shopping, specifically for groceries. Example verb usage. Before heading to the store, create a shopping list to ensure you don't forget any essentials. Next picture. Aisle. Aisle. An aisle is a narrow space between shelves or displays in a store. Example verb usage. You can find the cereal aisle towards the back of the store. Next, what do you call this? The answer is shelf. Plural, shelves. A shelf is a flat horizontal surface used for storing or displaying items. Example verb usage. The store restocks the shelves with fresh produce every morning. Next, what do you call that? The answer is price tag. A price tag. Now, a price tag is a small label or tag attached to an item indicating its price. Example verb usage. Don't forget to check the price tag before making a purchase. Now, what do you call this? The answer is a barcode. A barcode. If many, barcodes in plural form. Barcodes. Now this one is called a QR code. We can scan the QR codes using our phones. Now a barcode is a series of parallel lines representing product information that can be scanned by a barcode reader. Example verb usage. The cashier scanned the barcode on each item to register the prices. Now what do you call this? If you want to check the price of the product, you use this. This is a price scanner. Now a price scanner is a device used to scan barcodes and read the prices of items. Example verb usage. The store employee used a price scanner to check the cost of the item. Next, what do you call a person who works in a store? So this person here is assisting the customer. You call that person a? The answer is a store clerk. He's a store clerk. Now, a store clerk is an employee who assists customers in a store. Example verb usage. The store clerk helped the customer find the right size of shoes. Next, what is this? If I want to know the weight of the item I'm buying, especially produce, we use this. What is this? The answer is weighing scale. Weighing scale. Now, a weighing scale is a device used to measure the weight of an object or produce. Example verb usage. To determine the cost, the cashier placed the fruits on the weighing scale. Next one. A person who handles the payment. If you want to check out, this person is a cashier. A cashier. Now, a cashier is a person who handles the payment and registers sales transaction in a store. Example verb usage. After selecting your items, proceed to the cashier to complete your purchase. Next, we use this to pay for our groceries. The answer is cash, and the other one is a card. It could be a credit card or a debit card. Now, cash refers to physical money, while a card refers to a debit or credit card used for payment. Example verb usage. You can pay for your purchases with cash or by swiping your card. Next, what do you call this digital app or platform that allows e-payments? The answer is e-wallets. E-wallets. Now, e-wallets are digital applications or apps or platforms that allow electronic payments and store payment information. Example verb usage. Many stores now accept payment through various e-wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Next, what do you call these bags used for carrying groceries? The answer is grocery bags. Grocery bags. A grocery bag is used for carrying groceries and other purchased items. Example verb usage. After paying, the cashier placed the items in a grocery bags for the customer. Now let's practice using these vocabulary words in a dialogue. My line is red and your line is yellow. This exercise is great if you want to practice speaking in English. No, not yet. What's it like? That's convenient. Did you use a shopping basket or a shopping cart? A good idea. Did you bring a shopping list? Nice. Did you find everything easily? How was the store layout? Did you check the price tags to compare prices? What about the barcode? Did they scan it at the checkout? Speaking of the cashier, did you interact with the store clerk? Did you weigh any produce at the weighing scale? Oh, finally, how did you pay? Did you use cash or card? That's convenient. Did they give you a grocery bag for your purchases? Sounds like a smooth shopping experience. I'll definitely check out that supermarket soon. In this section, we'll be diving into the topic of sorting grocery items in different aisles of the grocery store. Have you ever found yourself wandering around trying to find a specific product? Well, worry no more. By learning which aisle certain items are located in, you'll be able to navigate the grocery store like a pro. To make this section interactive, I'll be showing you pictures of various grocery items, and you'll have just 3 seconds to guess which aisle they belong to. It's a fun and engaging way to test your knowledge while improving your vocabulary. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get ready to sort our way through the grocery store aisles. First one, what aisle is yogurt usually in? The answer is dairy. Dairy. How about bananas? The answer is produce. The produce. How about a can of tuna? The answer is canned. Canned. How about muffins? Muffins. You can find them in the bakery. Bakery. Or in the breakfast aisle. Next, potato chips. Or in the UK, crisps. The answer is the snacks. Snacks. Next, how about steak? In the meat section. Meat section. How about shampoo and conditioner? Shampoo and conditioner. The answer is the personal care. Personal care. Next one. How about fresh shrimp? The answer is seafood. The seafood. Seafood section. How about laundry detergent? Laundry detergent. The answer is household. The household section. How about this one? Hash browns. Hash browns. The answer is frozen section. In the frozen section. How about sliced ham? Sliced ham. The answer is in the deli section. Deli. And the last one, dog food. The answer is in the pets section. Pets section. In this section, we'll be exploring the topic of quantifying different products at the grocery store. Have you ever wondered how to express the quantity of items you want to buy? Well, let's learn how. To make it interactive, I'll show you pictures of various items and you'll have 3 seconds to fill in the blank with the correct quantifier. Let's get started. 1. Of tuna. The answer is a can of tuna. A can of tuna. Number 2, bread. The answer is a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. The third one, soap. The answer is a bar of soap. A bar of soap. Next one, potato chips. The answer is a bag of potato chips. A bag of potato chips. How many bags of potato chips should we buy this week? We should buy 5 bags of potato chips this week. Next, toilet paper. The answer is a roll of toilet paper. A roll of toilet paper. How many rolls of toilet paper should we buy this week? We should buy 5 rolls of toilet paper this week. Next, lettuce. The answer is a head of lettuce. A head of lettuce. How many heads of lettuce should we buy this week? We should buy 2 heads of lettuce this week. Next, of ketchup. The answer is a bottle of ketchup. How many bottles of ketchup should we buy this week? We should buy 3 bottles of ketchup. 3 bottles of ketchup. Next, toothpaste. The answer is a tube of toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste. How many tubes of toothpaste should we buy this week? We should buy 2 tubes of toothpaste this week. Next, eggs. The answer is a dozen eggs. A dozen eggs. How many eggs should we buy this week? We should buy 2 dozen eggs this week. So that's 24 eggs. Next, bananas. Now in the final section, we'll be learning about comparative shopping. Have you ever wondered how to compare prices and determine which item is cheaper or more expensive? Well, you're about to find out. I'll be showing you prices from two different stores, and your task is to determine which item is cheaper and which item is more expensive using comparative adjectives. It is a great way to practice your language skills. Let's take a look at these structures. Now, these structures allow us to compare different aspects such as price and quality and help us make informed decisions while shopping or discussing preference. The first one, price is cheaper than. Now, this structure is used to compare the prices of two items. The first blank is filled with the item or product that has a lower price, and the second blank is filled with the item or product that has a higher price. For example, the red shoes are cheaper than the blue shoes. The small coffee is cheaper than the large coffee. Structure number 2, blank is more expensive than. This structure is the opposite of the previous one and is used to compare the prices of two items. The first blank is filled with the item or product that has a higher price, and the second blank is filled with the item or product that has a lower price. For example, the luxury car is more expensive than the economy car. The branded shirt is more expensive than the generic shirt. Third one, in terms of quality, blank is better than blank. Now, this structure is used to compare the quality of two items. The first blank is filled with the item or product that has a higher quality, and the second blank is filled with the item or product that has a lower quality. For example, the handmade jewelry is better than the mass-produced jewelry. The organic vegetables are better than the conventionally grown vegetables. All right, now let's practice. The price of Fuji apple in Chen Smart is 50 cents per pound, whereas the price of Fuji apple in Sydney's market is 75 cents per pound. So we can say the Fuji apple in Chen's Mart is cheaper than the Fuji apple in Sydney's market. In this sentence, we are comparing the prices of Fuji apples in two different stores. We use the comparative adjective cheaper to indicate that the price of the Fuji apple in Chen's Mart is lower than the price of the Fuji apple in Sydney's market. Remember to adjust the adjective based on the comparison you are making. If you were comparing quality instead of price, you could use the comparative adjective better or higher quality instead of cheaper. The structure remains the same, but the adjective changes to reflect the aspect being compared. All right, now let's practice. In Chen's Mart, the chicken thighs is $2.50 per kilogram. Whereas in Sydney's market, the chicken thighs are $2.15 per kilogram. Which one is more expensive? The answer is the chicken thighs in Chen's Mart is more expensive than the chicken thighs in Sydney's market. All right, now here's another example. In Chen's Mart, the baby carrots cost $1.75 for a 16-ounce bag, whereas the baby carrots in Sydney's market cost $1.65 for a 16-ounce bag. Which one is cheaper? Okay, so the answer is the baby carrots in Sydney's market is cheaper than the baby carrots in Chen's Mart. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you found this video useful, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot. If you're hungry for more knowledge, make sure to tune in next week when we delve into advanced vocabulary about shopping. We'll cover terms related to physical stores and e-commerce, taking your shopping vocabulary to the next level. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to expand your English skills. And don't forget to connect with me on my other social media accounts. I have my private Facebook group and my Instagram. As always, thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next video.